ourselves. So that is how this is the first publication of Basu Media Services. I'm sure it will be followed by many more, and I hope Indira ji will continue to contribute and cooperate and collaborate.
My pleasure, sir. My pleasure.
In spite of the fact that she is very annoyed with me for many things, like not taking her calls.
My speech is yet to come.
Yeah, I'm saying all this because I won't get a chance to reply. Anyway, so I think all's well that ends well, and I would now request Kumkum ji to say a few words.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is the 150th birth anniversary of Rabindranath Tagore, and Vishwabharati has a pivotal role to play in this making Tagore available to the world, making Tagore accessible to people and beyond language. This was a real project that was challenging. The transcreation of Tagore songs into Urdu nazms, and it was in a way, it didn't take long to convince me, but I had a little problem in convincing the Vice Chancellor. But he also saw the value of this going beyond language. So the need was to spread Tagore beyond Bengal. And Urdu has the sweetness, the gentleness, and the elegance, which again Bengali shares in many ways, like French, Bengali, Urdu. These can be classified together as very elegant languages. And that we thought would be a very good vehicle to carry forward Tagore's ideas, which touch all of our hearts even when we read them in imperfect English translations. The Hindi translations are definitely better than the English ones, but the Urdu ones will probably give us a flavor of the emotions and the social content of the songs. And she has used known and unknown translations, and she has distilled them through her years of working on the transcreations. So obviously they have achieved an identity of their own. And this was a wonderful journey of discovery with Indira Verma and Muzaffar Rahman, Rahman Muzaffar. And we could collaborate in a very intimate manner by discussing many songs and nuances. And this we thought was our homage to the poet on the 150th anniversary. And I think a befitting homage in which we have tried to also bond the two neighboring countries together, India and Pakistan, because the CD that will be released now has been performed by Shubha Mutkar from India and one Nazam Shiraz, a very well-known ghazal singer from Pakistan, and this was again put together by Ratikant Basu. I must tell all of you that Vishwabharati had no financial involvement in this project, and therefore it was easier to push through and not say. And Indira Verma never made her claim on Vishwabharati in any way. Instead, she organized this function all on her own initiative. Thank you, Indira ji.
Thank you for
Nothing much to say except that it has been a real privilege to work on this project, and all my life I have been working on Rabindranath, and this book has really given me much pleasure because it is taking Rabindranath beyond Bengal, and that is very important. So I'm thankful to Indira ji and the others who have helped me in this project. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. In fact, I am the only person among such people who are here has contributed nothing to romanticism. And I do not know why I was made to sit here. Where the magnanimity of Indira ji and Mr. Basu. The role which I played was to produce a CD, which was again given to me in a platter. Like Kunji said, Saregama had no financial implication on this, Mr. Basu. So what we did was we put all the songs together. My only I was a bit scared because Bengalis, I being a Bengali, I also consider myself in the same platform. We treat Tagore like God. I mean, Tagore should be, Tagore should not be, we can't do any experimentation with Tagore. And Kumkumji, with due regards to Vishwa Bharati, at one point of time when copyright was there, the music companies had a tough time releasing Tagore songs because every song recorded had to be sent to Vishwa Bharati, and after they had approved, only we could release. So I was quite taken aback, and when I saw when Mr. Basu told me that Vishwa Bharati is also on board, that made my life much easy. I'm too small a person to comment anything on Indira ji's work. What I hear and what people who have read have said that she has done an extremely great job. I can slightly comment on the CD which will be released today. Shobha Mudgul and Najam Shiraz, they have sung they have put a new face to Tagore. I would say, since it has been translated to Nazam, Tagore Nazam, I would say. And there's another person whom I should mention is the music rearranger, Devajyoti Mishra. I do not know if how many of you know about him. He's an excellent music arranger, and he has worked under Salil Chaudhary. So I don't think so anybody else other than Devajyoti Mishra could have taken up this project. Thank you, Indira ji, thank you, Mr. Basu. And I hope once you listen to music, you will understand what the CD is all about.
Thank you. All of you are just my own loved friends and family, so कुछ ज़्यादा मैं अब कुछ कहूँगी नहीं, क्योंकि लिख के तो काफ़ी कुछ लाई थी, लेकिन सब कुछ कह डाला सबने. But I have to tell you what my son said to me yesterday. He says, Mother, he just came and sat down in my room and he sat across me. He said, Mother, read my lips. I said, Kya hua, Baba? He says, read my lips. I said, Kyun? He says, don't make any more books. Don't write any more books. Please don't make any more CDs. We have a life of our own. I have a business to run. मैं 2 दिन से आपकी बत्तियां लटका रहा हूँ और फूल खरीद रहा हूँ. So he told me to not to do anything much more. And each one of you is my loved person. I don't think there's anybody. कोई भी.
You must be grateful when I didn't echo his.
आप देखिए, अभी मुझे कह रहे हैं कि आगे भी हम काम करेंगे इकट्ठे. आप कह रहे हैं कि ये thank you everybody. There couldn't have been a better launch or a loftier launch today for this book, Romancing Tagore. Let's at least show it to everybody. Just come back from the Prime Minister's house, who was so gracious and so wonderful that he sat with each one of us, talked to each one of us. We were about 30 of us, close friends and family. We went with my team esteemed panel who has come from Kolkata, Shanti Niketan and Vishwa Bharati, and Mr. Basu. He even asked each one of us ki chai lijiye, you know, it was so wonderful. And the person who made this possible is Ashwini ji, a very able minister was. I don't know if he's here, like a younger brother to me, Munna's younger brother, and he made this possible, and I'm very grateful to him to be able to do that. Mr. Manmohan Singh ji, our Prime Minister, is very, very fond of Urdu, and I believe all his speeches are written in Urdu. And he read the book, and then I was asked by his PS, the PS called me to say कि आप synopsis कीजिए कि क्यों आपने ये लिखा. So I'll take another 2-3 minutes and then I'll recite one of my poems. There's no need to go through all this now. Everybody has said everything. Why I wrote these Urdu nazams with a co-author. Tagore has been translated into 27 languages. Every possible language of our country also. Recently the whole Gitanjali has been translated into Telugu. But you go anywhere and ask for any translation in Urdu, you don't get it. You search the net for days at end and you don't get it. So when Mr. Basu said, we were just having a family get together and he said, why don't you do this with Tagore poems? For a long time I thought, Tagore sahab in English, he says, Bibi ji rehne dijiye. And then he wants to recite in whatever language, pure language that they have written in, Farsi or whatever. And then you understand the pathos. Similarly, the beauty of Tagore must have been, they must be reading it all, it's exquisite in Bengali. So I thought, let's try our hand. And then this young professor joined me in doing this, and we did it together. But I have taken 10 years. Supriya ji sent me these poems 10 years back. There was this obsession कि इसको उर्दू में ही करना है. तो आज आप देखते हैं कि Tagore is the flavor of the world, and Yeats and Roland and Mahatma Gandhi have written so much in praise of him, but we are still far away from fully appraising the treasure that Tagore has to offer. And I won't take much time. I'm going to recite one of the poems which we did, and I think you will then get an idea about what the whole book is about. Tumi Robe Ni Robe is the poem written in Bengali. The English is by one of the Tagore translators, famous Tagore translator, Kshitij Roy, sent to me by Supriya ji. I must tell you something very funny here. We did so many poems by so many authors from so many books, and then we'd send them to Supriya ji, and she would say, "But ये तो आपने पहले कर दिया है, ये तो आपने पिछले साल किया हुआ था translate." So we couldn't understand. People have interpreted Tagore in so many ways, in their ways, that this poem, I think we did it 3 times differently, not knowing that this is the same poem. So this is by Kshitij Roy. I'm going to recite the English version, and then I'll recite what we have transcreated. The word transcreated I heard for the first time from Mr. Basu, and I'd never heard it before. You come to the silence of my heart of a still summer night, when the full moon envelops the desolate sky in a deep embrace, and my youth, my whole being,